Hey, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing here of the X-H2S. Just got this in today. Here's the box, some paperwork on top. You'll notice they got rid of the manuals that were in here that were pretty thick, so now you got to go online to read that. But the camera itself, you've probably seen this a million times. Beautiful body, comes in black only, pretty interesting. Flip screen, screws in the back for the fan, top dial, SD card and CF Express, and there's that stacked 26 megapixel BSI sensor. Just excited to check that out. So yeah, there's the camera. Again, there's a look at that sensor. Let's put the 3314 on there. Excited to see kind of what this new linear motor system and the new sensor can do in terms of autofocus. And just to show you quickly the setup process here. A little bit different than on some Fujifilm cameras. They'll speed up its time zone, daylight savings, date and time. You can do this over Bluetooth if you want to, but I do it manually. It's a quick little jump test. Doesn't really show you too much, but you know, like you probably already seen, this camera's so fast, man, so fast. Or some of the burst modes, 20, 30, and 40 are disabled because I don't have the CF Express card in there right now. Just SD. Here's my GFX50S II with the 50.3.5 on it. Just to give you an idea, a lot of the same DNA that's in the X-H2S, and you can kind of see them side by side. The top kind of e-ink display on the X-H2S is a lot smaller, but similar dial. One less custom button on the GFX50S II. Oh yeah, a lot of the same DNA. I mean, even if you look at the top prism where the viewfinder is, I mean, it's almost identical. I love the integrated strap locks on the top instead of the circles hanging off to the side. One thing you'll notice too is that the grip texture on the X-H2S is much more like Fujifilm focused, whereas the grip texture on the GFX50S II is very GFX. It's kind of strange. If you've held the GFX camera, it's a lot smoother, a little bit less grippy. And the X-H2S is very like reminiscent of the X-T3, the X100V, that really hard plastic leathery kind of feeling. You can really see that there. So there it is. Thanks for watching, guys.